Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum first year class. How are you beta? Students, as all of you are quite aware that we have completed our first short story, Button, and today I will start your book 3 that contains plays and poems. Students, in this book we have 3 plays and 20 poems, and from the poems one question is given of, that is explanation with reference to the context. Okay students, one stanza is given from 20 poems, and keep this thing in your mind that there is no choice at all. So you have to prepare all the 20 poems in order to attempt this question. So let's start point number 1, The Rain, and this poem has been written by W.H. Davies. This is the name of the poet, and his full name was William Henry Davies. Before starting the poem, students, I want to tell you a brief introduction of the poet, that when was he born and when was he died. Actually, his introduction of the poet is not mentioned. We can't mention this in explanation, but it's important for your information. So let's start. William Henry Davies, or W.H. Davies, he was born on 3rd July 1871 and he died on 26 September 1940. Students, Davies spent a significant part of his life as a tramp. Do you know who's a tramp? Okay, I tell you, tramp is a person who travels from one place to another. And in the United Kingdom and United States, he traveled a lot, but after some time he became one of the most popular poets of his time. So now the principal themes of his work. What are the principal themes of his work? They are observations about life's hardships, because he himself led a very difficult life. That's why he was quite aware of the difficulties and hardships of the poor people, and this thing is seen in his poems as well. The ways in which the human condition is reflected in nature. Students, William W.H. Davies, he was a great admirer, he was a great lover of nature. Okay, so this very poem, The Rain, through this natural poem, he actually expresses the sufferings of the poor. Okay, and his own tramping adventures and the various characters he met. These are the main themes of his poetry. Okay, let's start the very first stanza. I will read in front of you. I hear leaves drinking rain, I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It's a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking there. Okay students, first of all, you have to understand the meaning of the difficult words. As I can say that there are no difficult words at all except beneath. Beneath means underneath or under. ठीक है, नीचे जिसको हम कहते हैं. So it is very easy and simple poem, and there is no difficulty at all. And how you will explain it? First of all, what will you do? You will write the reference. ठीक है बेटा, आपने पहले reference लिखना है, then context, and then third step is explanation. So how will you write your reference, and what is reference? Reference actually होता क्या है? ठीक है, इसमें आपने क्या बताना है? You have to tell that from where these all lines or this stanza has been taken. ठीक है, इसमें आपने ये बताना होता है. So how will you write your reference? These lines have been taken from the poem The Rain by William Henry Davies. It means in the reference you will tell the name of the poet and the poem, the stanza from where and from which poem the stanza has been taken. So you will mention this in this reference. Okay, the next point is context. Look at the context I have written for you, and look at it. The Rain is a symbolic poem in which upper leaves of trees represent the rich and the lower leaves represent the poor of the society. ठीक है बेटा, क्या है जी? Rain is a symbolic poem. It's through symbols. ठीक है, what are the symbols? The rich and poor leaves, in which upper leaves of trees represent the rich and the lower leaves of trees represent the poor of the society. ठीक है, the sunshine symbolizes the day when the darkness of poverty will come to an end. Okay, sunshine जो है, it is also a symbol of the day day of hope. ठीक है बेटा, when the darkness of poverty will come to an end and there will be a fair distribution of the blessings of nature. So this is the context of the poem. So what is the context? Actually the context is the main theme, ठीक है, और key notes or the key lines of the poem that we have to mention, or we can say the message of the poem, and we have to mention this thing in the context. Okay, so